G'day guys, it's Tim Guest here. Hope everyone's having a great Monday. Of course, hope everyone had a great weekend as well. Me personally, I've been taking a couple of days off. I've got 2 more weeks worth of break before we get back into doing our events. And today I just wanted to get on the Facebook Live because over the weekend we drew the winner of our Win $1,000 Cash competition. Firstly, just wanted to say a big thanks to everyone. We had thousands and thousands of entries. I think it was something along the lines of about 3,000 or 4,000 entries, which is absolutely fantastic. We just love the fact that so many people want to get involved. But what we want to do today is we want to announce the winner. So the winner of the $1,000 cash competition, let me just check so make sure I get her name right, is Kelly Smith. So congratulations, Kelly Smith. You're the very lucky winner of the $1,000. Of course, we want you to have that money working hardest for you, but it's your money, so you can choose to do with it whatever you please. Kelly, if you see this Facebook post, please contact the officers. We'll also be trying to get in contact with you as well, so we can hand over the cash and so you can start enjoying it. Apart from that, guys, just a really quick Facebook post from me today. I am going to be doing a few Facebook posts, Facebook Live posts over the coming days. Particularly as I'm on holiday, it doesn't matter where I am in the world, I just love talking about this stuff. So if there's anything particular that you want me to talk about, any questions that you want to get answered, please make sure you put them in the comments below and we'll discuss them for you, give you guys as much info, as much value as we possibly can. Apart from that, guys, have a great week and we'll look forward to speaking to you very soon. And of course, congratulations to Kelly. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.